been trying to fix what you already healed, carrying weight you never asked me to feel. Every mistake keep playing on repeat, but you're calling me whole, saying that's not me. I've been running from the mirror of grace, chasing worth in every temporary place, but you stood there, patient, arms open wide, saying you don't have to earn what I already provide. I'm done hiding, I'm done fighting. You see me different, you rewrite me. You made me right, I don't gotta prove it, yeah. Grace rewrote what I was doing. I was lost in what I've been through. Now I stand in you, Jehovah Tsidkenu. My righteousness is you, not what I've done, but what you've made me into. All of that shame, you covered it all, picked up the pieces when I let them fall. I was defined by the things I regret, but you don't see me that way. Not yet. You called me clean when I felt undone, spoke new life like the rising sun. Now I'm learning to believe what you say, that I've been made right in a different way. No more striving, no more pressure. In your truth I'm held forever. You made me right, I don't gotta prove it. Oh, grace rewrote what I was doing. I was lost in what I've been through. Now I stand in you, Jehovah Tsidkenu. My righteousness is you, not what I've done, but what you've made me into. Holy, holy, you are righteous. There is no one else beside you. Perfect, faithful, just and worthy. All my honor belongs to you, Jehovah Tsidkenu. You alone are true. Clothe me in your righteousness. Make me more like you. I don't have to carry this anymore. You already made me right. You already made me whole. You made me right, I don't gotta prove it. Grace we